In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread chat in Microsoft Teams. If you use Teams regularly, it's easy for messages to pile up and for important conversations to slip through the cracks. Maybe you've been away from your desk, in back-to-back meetings, or just busy working on something else, and now you're not sure where those unread messages are hiding. In this short guide, I'll walk you through a simple way to locate your unread activity so you can quickly catch up and stay organized. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Teams and that you're on the main screen where you can see the usual navigation menu. This is typically a vertical bar, either on the left side of your screen in the desktop or web app, or along the bottom if you're on a mobile device. This menu is where you'll find options like Chat, Teams, Calendar, and more. To find your unread chat and notifications, look for the activity icon. It usually looks like a bell or a small symbol indicating notifications. On the desktop or web version, you'll see it near the top of that navigation bar on the left. On mobile, it may appear at the bottom of the screen in the main menu. When there's something new you haven't seen yet, you'll often notice a small number or dot on this icon, letting you know there's unread activity waiting for you. Go ahead and click or tap on activity. This opens a dedicated feed that brings together your recent notifications in one place. Here, you'll see things like mentions, replies, reactions, missed calls, and other updates related to your chats and teams. Unread items usually appear with a slightly different style, such as bold text or a colored bar beside them, so they stand out from the rest. Once you're in the activity feed, you can scroll through the list and click on any unread item to jump directly to that specific message or conversation. This is much faster than hunting through individual chats or channels because activity acts as your central inbox for anything new. Using the activity section regularly is a great habit. It helps you make sure you haven't missed a direct mention, a question from a teammate, or an important update in a channel you follow. Whenever you return to Teams after being away for a while, clicking activity is the quickest way to get up to speed. That's all you need to do. Open Teams, locate the activity icon,